Ka Frank Motors kelayop ban pelat pajba ya ka kali thmai ka tata curve. Ya kini ka kali la pelat pajba du TK Sang, branch manager ka State Bank of India, headquarter Dengar branch, Bad Umrunal Deshmukh branch manager ka State Bank of India Madaranting branch, harkat ke jingan lang ba indon lang pasa trai jang ka Frank Motors, ki bahyang masem kinong tiet kali bat kinong trai jang ka Frank Motors. Kindiat syapang kini ka kali ka tata curve kedai ka kali ka bawan hakilai jat ki enjin berkentup ya ka Hyperion gasoline Waypoint R liter Rivotron petrol but Waypoint Sun liter Cryojet diesel but barok kidon ya ka advanced dual clutch automatic transmission ni DCE but kadon riu jat kirong nadu ka pasdang hausnam arjar arpuar ka Frank Motors kelayo bandi khat arspa teli ki kali ban maramat palat san hajar teli ki kali tata bat kala aikam ajam ki babon ki samla kasi ha ki terat bapher hagni ka singla yo ru banot UK kum ka jingle kemen ya ka jing plat ba ya kani ka kali.
With great excitement, I again invite Mrs. Ivanrika Lindo, Mr. Mrunal Deshmukh and Mr. TK Sang to join us for the grand reveal. 12.3 Harman touchscreen, infotainment system, and a powered tailgate with gestures control. With its advanced engine options and stunning design, we believe it will redefine the driving experience for our customers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to gain some valuable insights. We have a special presentation lined up for you by none other than Mr. Graham, sales coach, who will be sharing his expertise on customer experience and innovation.
Tata Motors, and it is on an all-new platform featuring the all-new SUV coupe design, and it is also Tata Motors' entry into the mid-size segment, which is the fastest growing segment in India. You can see in the year 2020 to 21, the market share of the mid-size SUV segment is only 19,000. And in the year 21 to 22, it grew to 24,000. And in the year 22 to 23, it grew to 33,000. And in this financial year, the market share in the mid-size SUV segment it grew up to 50,000. And as you know, that the mid-size SUV segment cater to multiple customer profiles. For example, an aspiring customer. An aspiring customer, for example, someone maybe who have joined a new job and who wants to do well in their new job. So they would want a car which will have road presence, and a customer who's a tech savvy, who's very good in this modern technology. He would want a car jam-packed with features, with the latest features, and a discerning customer who is very good in judging the quality of anything. So he would want a car which is beautifully crafted. And an ambitious customer who is ambitious and wants to do well in life. He would want a car which will give him that I am here. Interiors, you can see here, it has a premium interior which is best in class. You get leather inserts in the dashboard, leather stitching on the door, You get a illuminated logo, touch base, HVAC, and you get 4-spoke steering wheel. You get 12.3-inch cinematic infotainment system. You can go on to the next slide. And as you can see, this is also a best in class. You get a burgundy color interior theme. And as you can see in the rear seats, it's very luxurious and spacious. And you get a panoramic sunroof. And the seat, it has a 2-step reclining seat. So you can relax, you can sleep. And it has a 12.3-inch, like I mentioned earlier. It has multiple voice assistants, native languages, up to 250 languages, Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, and it has wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It also has maps and other apps. And as you can see, it has 9 speakers, including 1 subwoofer. And it has JBL sound modes, which you can customize your stereo. And it has kids sleeping in the back. But if you activate this function, the sound will come only in the front. Boot space, 500 liters. It also has the first in segment power tailgate with gesture control. For example, if you are carrying luggage during the rainy season, especially in Shillong, right? You get the floor might be muddy. You don't want to leave your luggage on the floor. In other vehicles, your luggage might get dirty because you have to leave it. You have to leave your luggage on the floor, but not with our vehicle. Just with your leg gesture, the boot space will open and directly you can put your luggage inside. From November, the price will go up because this is just an introductory price. And on the base variant, you are getting only 9.99 lakhs, which is very good, which is under 10 lakhs. And the Pia is 1099, Creative is 1219, Creative S 1269, and the Creative Plus S is 1369, and Accomplished S is 14.69. These are all 1.2 Rivertron Turbo petrol. And the GDI starts from 13.99 lakhs, 14.99 lakhs, 15.99 lakhs, and the top variant goes to 17.49 lakhs. And the Cryojet diesel 1.5 liter engine, it starts from 11.49 lakhs, 12.49 lakhs, the next price, and 13.69 lakhs, 14.19 lakhs, 15.19 lakhs, 16.19 lakhs, and it goes up to 17.69 lakhs. And as you can see, the Rivertron Turbo Petrol 1.2, the DCA automatic starts from 12.49 lakhs, and the GDI DCA, it starts from 16.49 lakhs, and the diesel Cryojet 1.5 liter DCA starts from 13.99 lakhs.